Kyle, you're a drum teacher. Make drum videos. Hey guys, Kyle Smith here from Smith Percussion. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out Woodshed Wednesdays. This is season 1 over here on YouTube, and I'm really excited about that. I'm excited for sharing these lessons with you guys. And so I want to take this first video and talk a little bit about what is Woodshed Wednesdays, what you guys can be expecting from these lessons, and what season 1 is going to look like. So Woodshed Wednesdays is something that started over on my band's Instagram page. Every Wednesday it was my turn to come up with some sort of recurring content that we could be putting over there. And it took me a while to figure it out, but finally I'm like, Kyle, you're a drum teacher. Make drum videos. So for a long time I've been wanting to create some sort of videos for my students that they could refer back to in between lessons so they weren't getting stuck in their practice time. And I'm like, let's kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So that's how it started, and the response was really cool, and unexpected. I'd have people coming up to me at shows and be like, hey, I saw your drum videos, that's really cool. And so if you're somebody who did that, or somebody who watched those early videos, thank you so much. That was really inspirational to me, and it helps me continue creating these types of things. But because there was getting that response, and because I did want it to be something useful for my students, I wanted to make the shift over here to YouTube so that it could be condensed into one space. You can organize it into playlists. You can put links to the transcriptions of exercises. It just functioned a little bit more neatly over here. So that's why it's season 1, even though this has been something going on for a while. So each lesson is going to be very short. It's going to be 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. This video is going to be probably much longer than most of the actual lessons in this season, and that's something that was dictated by Instagram's videos needing to be short to show up in the feed. And I found that I liked that because I knew my students weren't spending all their time watching a video. They were able to really get the meat of an exercise very quickly and then spend a bunch of time going back to the practice room, back to the woodshed. That's where the name comes from. You're woodshedding things, working on them, and getting better at them. So I wanted something that would be quick, that you can apply to the drum kit right away. And so that's the goal with this. It's not having a bunch of a lengthy lesson. There's value to that, but it's something quick and applicable really quickly. But because of that, each lesson being short, we're going to spend multiple weeks going over a specific topic, sometimes up to a couple months, doing a deep dive on a specific thing, like a specific subdivision, a specific type of groove, or something like that. That way we are actually, covering a lot of the material. But each lesson will be that short, focused thing that you can work on, you can watch, and then get right back to the practice room and get back to woodshedding. So that's what these lessons are going to look like. Season 1 my goal is going to have 50 lessons. That'll be pretty much one every week, new on Wednesdays, and then taking a couple weeks off there at the end of the year around the holidays, just to catch my breath and get going again for season 2. So I hope you guys dig these lessons and you find some value in them, whether you're somebody who's been playing a long time and is just looking for inspiration, something new to bring back to the kit, or even if you are somebody who's completely new to the drums. A lot of my students are younger or starting out on the drum set, so a lot of my lessons are beginner friendly. So I hope you guys dig it. If you are, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and that will help you be staying notified about when new videos come out. It's every Wednesday for this, and then there are some performance videos as well up on the YouTube channel. If you're looking for a place to start, I recommend checking out this season right here. There's going to be a playlist up there. So thank you guys so much, and let's get started.